Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and come on in. How y'all doing this evening, this morning, this afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you? I hope it's a great one. And guys, what I have for you is a small vlog with a small haul. And if you want to see what those are all about, don't go anywhere. Stay where you are. And I will see you guys after the video. All right, guys, here we are at DD's Discounts, and they don't have too much of a selection in their wall art department. And as we go along, you'll see that their shelves are not that full either. Some spaces are full and some spaces are a little scanty. But as we go along, we go into the aisle where the home decor section is. The pillows, they're very nice. It's a small selection, but they're nice. And I thought that this bunny rabbit pillow was pretty. It's really cute. And here we are, some more blingy home decor. This is pretty. This stuff is pretty inexpensive, but mostly because it's not glass. It's the plastic or acrylic gems. That's why this stuff is so reasonable for the price. $9.99 for that. Moon and the stars. I thought this was really pretty. And these hurricane candle holders up here are nice. And of course, guys, this thing was really pretty. I started to get it. And this right here is really nice too. This vase. I think I'm gonna try to make something like this with the mosaic glass, not the mosaic glass, with the mosaic mirror tiles. Yeah, I could do that. And some grout. I may try it. It's pretty. This right here looks like something fairly easy to make. I could just get a flat dish, some wire or metal ribbon to put around the edge, some dowels, and a candle holder and gems. And you guys know I like the candles. I did pick a few to purchase, and basically that's all I bought out of this store. This store kind of reminds me of the feel of a Ross / Marshalls / thrifty store style setup. It's just, or I'll put it like this, it's almost like a Ross knockoff, but on a way smaller scale. And so here I'm just drifting through the store. The clothes that I see, I am not impressed. It's probably like the thrifty store. You have to sift through the items to find that treasure. Yeah. Not too much to look at. And so I'm just making my way back to the counter, guys. And I will see you all back at the home front. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that small vlog and what I have for you today to show what I did get, because I went to the Dollar Tree and I went to the Walmart. So that's what I have right here. It's not a whole lot, guys. From the Dollar Tree, I bought these plant trays or saucers. Planter saucers is what they're called. I bought 1 pack of the diamond wrap, the silver diamond wrap, because I am going to do another bottle. I'm going to bling glam up another liquor bottle. So I bought, and this time it's going to be silver. So I bought this silver bling wrap for that. Bought a bunch of batteries, guys. I just stock up on the batteries. I just buy batteries. Every time I go to Dollar Tree, I buy batteries. I also bought these sticker decals. And these are silver glitter. I'm going to use these on my dial. Let me show you, hold up one of my dials so you can see what I'm working on. Here she is. This one says Alabama because this one is a special order for someone who lives in Alabama. And this is her headscarf, nice and fancy scarf. And the earrings are going to match the scarf. Once I get them on, it'll be like that. And yep, shopping bag holder, guys. And they are on sale. So if anybody's interested, this is what the hair looks like in the back. If anyone is interested, hit me up on my email or DM me on that Instagram. It's all in the description box below. Some felt letters. That's what I bought from Dollar Tree. Felt letters. This plant hanger right here. Or this hanging wire basket. I'm going to make a chandelier out of it, guys. Yes, I am. And then I went to the Walmart, guys. I went to Walmart and I bought some more trim for my dolls. And ooh, that's pretty. I bought some glass strands to make some beads. I'm going to make men's beads. I also bought some shells. Laser stencil. I also bought some more adhesive gemstones and glitter. I bought this holographic glitter, which also used to be called iridescent, but now it's called holographic. And I bought regular glitter. And then the last thing I'm going to show you guys is the SD cards. And these are to hold my videos. I need to save my videos because I usually just delete them all. But lately, the past, I guess the last 13 videos that I've done, I've saved them in my phone. And I need to get them out of my phone. So, and I want to put them on this card. So there we go, guys. And that is it for my haul and my vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hello to my True Blue YouTube family. Thank you guys for popping in and checking me out. Actually, the next video after this, I will be putting together the tufted storage container. Yes, guys. So, or it's an ottoman. Y'all be looking out for that notification because it's coming very soon. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. See you in the next video.